If you need to check older changes in OneNote on Windows 10, this quick guide will show you exactly how to view page history so you can find previous versions of your notes in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you accidentally deleted something, changed text by mistake, or just want to compare an earlier draft with the current version. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open OneNote on Windows 10 and go to the notebook that contains the page you want to review. On the right-hand side, look for the Pages column panel, where all of your page names are listed. This is the area you'll use to access the history for a specific note. Next, find the exact page title you want to check. Once you've located it, right-click on the page title if you're using a mouse, or long press it if you're on a touch device. A context menu will appear with several options for that page. From that menu, click Page Versions. As soon as you select it, OneNote will display a series of older versions underneath the main page title. These versions are usually organized by date, time, and the author who made the change, so you can easily see when each update was saved. Now scroll through the list and click any historic version you want to open. OneNote will load it in a read-only preview, which means you can safely review the older content without changing it. This is perfect if you want to compare notes, recover missing information, or confirm what was written before an edit was made. If you find the version you were looking for, you can use that information to copy the content back into your current page if needed. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to see history on OneNote Windows 10 using page versions. It's a simple but powerful feature that can save you time and help you recover important notes when you need them most. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick OneNote tips and Windows 10 how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.